so how's it going? It's been many, many moons ago, but I ain't gonna get into that crap. I've always, oh, this is a comeback. I plan on blah, da, 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 da. It's my work. If you want to know the truth about it, it's my work. They have me going in and out of town a lot. When I come home, I'm just trying to catch up with family and friends, and I just don't really feel like being in the garage after all that. I know it's a huge excuse, but what am I gonna do today is I gotta get caught up on the F150. Like, I bought new tires. So I want to put the leveling kit on it, so when I put the new tires on it, they can go ahead and do an alignment. Well, I got to put a pin in it. Let me find a pin. I didn't have a pin, but I got a piece of aluminum that I could stick in there for temporary right now, so I can find a bolt, or I'd like to find a big thick garter key and put in there. But we'll see. So I got to take this bolt off, take this bolt off, take the tie rod bolt. That should be it, other than the bottom of the strut and the three bolts nuts on top of the strut. Hopefully, when I went to hardware and I got the right nuts for the spacer, because the spacers were given to me, they didn't have nuts on them. Well, I wasn't even tight. Put down a bit 21. It's good that came out. I don't have to beat on it. Alright, what I gotta take out is lower A-arm bolts. That'll drop, then this will come out once I take the top 3 bolts out, or nuts up there. Take the 3 top ones out. I know I haven't done the other side, how most YouTubers, they do the other side, learn what they're doing, and then put, I cheated and watched YouTube. I let other people figure it out for me. Ain't that what you're supposed to do? Watch other people's YouTubes? Maybe those guys will come and watch me. Maybe I should make that comment on their videos. Hey, I watched your video, learn how to do this, go watch my video, tell me what I did wrong. Maybe what I did wrong was just watching their video. Maybe not. Calm down. Get out of the bag out. Okay, so I got the Rough Country 2-inch. This is your outer edge. It only goes on one way. All I gotta do is put these bolts and nuts on there. I got nylock nuts. Well, I gotta hope these fit up here. This could be where, they don't use the factory hardware. Gotta go get nuts. Well, that don't work. Not enough balls. Let's see if the minigun has it. All right, so it's a 17. That means those those shouldn't have fit. All right, so I need to go get 3 of these, 6 of these that fit in here, off to the hardware store. All right, through the magic of video editing, let me say that right, I'm back. So now it's time to put the right stuff on here, not screw things up. Put some anti-seize on here, out. That should go this way. And I got the new nuts and washers. Try not to touch the anti-seize. I don't want that crap all over me. Now these should go on with a regular ratchet, since I'm not cross-threading them. All right, listen to that. Perfect. The battery might be dead on this thing. I'll go back and torque those later. No, I won't. Where you at, hole? I found the hole. Give me a nut. Well, that's fairly easy. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna put anti-seize on those top bolts too. Well, first of all, if you put a spacer block on it, it's going to throw your alignment out to begin with. And then plus I took the lower A-arms off, so I didn't have to take the tie rod, the brakes, the axle, all that out, because the lower A-arm just swings out of the way. Oh, let's get this bad boy back over there. Come on, hose, get out of the way. Take that. Let's see if it's tight. All right, let's put some more anti-seize on there. Actually, it was easier than I thought. Getting this back in was rough. I don't even think I need to take that off, actually. I'm gonna try the other side without taking it off. I'll let you know how it goes. I don't think I need to take it out because it came down and came out this way. As long as the lower A-arm is completely out of the way, it'll drop all the way to the floor. Especially if you were on a lift, you wouldn't need to. You just take it all the way out the bottom. I do believe. It might not swing past the axle and the tie rod. If that was the case, then you could just pop the tie rod off. Yeah, I knew I was gonna get anti-seize on me from that one. Well, that's the driver's side. I ain't gonna bore you and go through the other side with you. I'm just gonna go knock the other side out. But like I said, this ain't no how-to. This ain't no blah, 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 blah. Just me watching do dumb stuff to my truck. I had the kit. The kit was given to me. I just had to buy nuts for it. That was the only thing when he gave it to me. He didn't have all the nuts. So I bought nylon nuts and I put anti-seize all over me. I think I got it on the bolts and nuts. Once I get it done, I'll have to take the new tires and the truck over to get them on and get a wheel alignment all at the same time. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here and do the other side.